What's up, YouTube? So, as per my last video, I promised to do something a little different for this one, which brings us to my first product unboxing and unveiling and product review. This is actually completely in the theme of the channel. I will be reviewing a mind machine, specifically the Mindplace Limina Deep Vision. The Limina Deep Vision. Now, for those that don't know what a mind machine is, these are, for lack of better words, machines that specialize in altering your states of consciousness. They are often used using binaural beats in tandem with strobe effect lights. I don't think I've ever used one, so I'm super excited to give this a shot. Chances are I'm probably gonna make this into 2 videos, one for initial unboxing and review and, you know, getting to know the product. And then I'll make a video maybe 1 or 2 weeks down the road talking about how my experience with it after, you know, daily use for 2 weeks. I have sleep insomnia problems, so these are supposed to be really, really good for dealing with that. And I would look forward to giving it a shot. So I'm gonna unbox it, test it out a little today, give my initial thoughts, and then do a follow-up video. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so this is my first unboxing video, so go a little easy on me. I'm still trying to figure out the angles and whatnot of how to shoot this best. So this is the box, right? That, yeah. We're gonna go, let's open this. And take a look at the parts. So, it looks like in here, we have, I'm always so bad at opening these things. I guess if I'm gonna do unboxing on my channel, I'm gonna have to get good at, you know, opening boxes. Just a guess. Okay, so in here, it feels like we have a carrying case, satchel thing. Now mind you, this is the bundle I got. There's like a bundle and there's like a one-off product, which is just the box. I think the bundle comes with the glasses and headphones. So that would be these right here, these glasses. Now, if you'll notice, cool, comes with a plug, and it looks like there are LEDs somewhere in this frame. I'll give you a better idea once I actually try it out. So we have the headphones and the goggles and a satchel in one box. And if we open this, we get the box. Limina. Mindplace Limina. Now, take that, and the product itself kind of looks like an old school kind of iPod looking thing, like that. Okay, that. Other things we got are charger, there, auxiliary plug / audio jack for headphones, it looks like, and we have something in here. The headphones. These are the headphones. Charger, kind of, this looks like some sort of extension for the headphones. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. See, it's like a two-way auxiliary jack. The headphones themselves look like this. Typical earbuds. I'm gonna put them on in my ear right now just to see how comfy they are. And they are actually surprisingly comfy. Yeah, good. Because that was my issue with having to put in earbuds. You know, sometimes they really irritate my ears, but those felt pretty good. So we have that. And we have one more, or two more boxes in here. Now let's open this one. Okay, so this is another kind of carrying case satchel thing that it came with. And then what's in the last box? Another pair of glasses. Okay, but these ones look a little different than the other pair. I'm gonna have to let you know the difference, because if you see over here, these glasses actually have LEDs. Look at that. So there's actual LEDs in these ones as opposed to these kind of goggle things, which do not. Do not. So I'm not actually quite sure what the difference is between these two. Oh, and I missed that, but they have a spare, they brought spare earbuds with the box. So let me show you all the products together that came with the bundle. And that would be satchel, goggles, VR looking goggle things, audio jack, USB charger, glasses with LEDs, and headphones. Oh, and this last satchel. So this is the layout with all this garbage. Yeah. Okay, so all right here is what comes with the Limina bundle. Take that. All that. Okay, cool. So now that we got that out of the way, let's try these products out, yeah? So let's go kind of check it out. Now you see, probably can't see that well. From here, there's options from the main menu, sessions, USB settings. To get started, we do sessions. Then these are the kind of sessions. They have gamma sessions, Procyon, and Sirius. So you kind of pick which of those, I don't know, you are most appealing. I have to do a little more research as to what I'm looking for. I'm gonna click gamma sessions. Actually, you know what, let's do whatever this word, Procyon. And then the first option is like relax before exams. So it gives you a timer, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now I have these glasses, these goggles attached to my headphones, and you'll notice once the timer goes off, they start shooting out. You know, it looks like some X-Men thing. But yeah, so they start shooting their strobe LEDs. And I would place it like so. And I'd get into a very comfortable position. You know, normally it'd kind of be sitting cross-legged or something. Oh, God damn it. All right. And so have that there. And I would, so right now, I doubt you'd be able to hear anything if I put it to the camera. Maybe just like little wubbles. So I have these in. I have the strobe going off. You know, just kind of close your eyes and kind of get taken for a ride. When you've had enough, or you want to change it up, you could just click the center button stops the strobe, stops the LED. Yeah, I will say initially off my, 15 minutes of using it right now, it definitely induces some strange visual sensations. However, I will need to use this a little more to give you guys a more thorough explanation of how this works. So that's the initial thing. Now I'm gonna try it for a little longer, then update a little longer today. Later today, I'm gonna try it for a little longer, give you guys an update and my final thoughts on the product for my initial usage. And then maybe about a week or two down the road, I will give you my follow-up thoughts. So yeah. Yeah, so after about 1 day of using this device, I thought I would give my final thoughts for this review. One thing that I should go over initially is that I noticed that this may not be for everyone. I myself got it for my mother who has sleeping issues, so I thought I'd test it out first. And it can be a little abrasive. So I am a lot better at relaxing into unfamiliar stimuli, so to say. But for people that are more sensitive, I could see how the flashing lights in the glasses could really have the opposite effect of relaxation. I used it before going to bed last night, and I noticed that you also kind of have to really get comfortable with the sense of vulnerability while you're using it, because you're opening yourself up to completely new sensations right before you go to sleep when you're relaxing. And the binaural beats with the flashing lights, it's very unfamiliar territory. So you're like, oh my God, am I gonna have weird auditory hallucinations or all this? And it's kind of it's abrasive. It can be. I would imagine through prolonged use, not even prolonged use, just using it a couple of times, I will be able to really dive deep into it. I don't know if other people that are more sensitive would be willing to put in the time to actually get the benefits and actually get used to this machine. I did give it to 2 other people to try out for 1 session, my older brother and my younger brother. And my older brother loved it. He was just sinking into it. My younger brother was a little shocked. He was like, this is supposed to help people relax? That being said, I do think it is pretty cool. I am unfamiliar with Mind Machines, so I can't really give it a frame of reference or something to compare it to. But what I will do is continue to use it and give a follow-up video about the effects and whatnot. I hope this review was helpful, and if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below, and I hope to see you guys soon. Be well.